V-belt or kraftband? Two systems, clear differences in design, performance, and application. The right choice brings maximum efficiency.
Hello and welcome to Master Your Drive, the video series from Optibelt.
Hello everyone.
Cem, here we have a single belt and a kraftband. What exactly are the differences?
The biggest difference is actually in the construction. A single belt runs on its own individually, and the kraftband is connected by a common top plate, joined together at the top plate, and so the belts basically run together as a single unit. To make this even clearer, we're showing you two images here. This shows the cross-section of the kraftband and a cross-section of the single belt.
And why should someone choose a single belt?
Single belts are a cost-effective and flexible solution. They're versatile, and especially our S equals C plus or M equals S belts can also be replaced individually within a set, which primarily saves costs and also time.
Okay, are there any disadvantages here too?
Yes, we have disadvantages too, especially with very long drives or when several single belts run together, vibrations can occur in shock-loaded drives. This increases maintenance efforts and can also lead to unwanted malfunctions.
And what makes the kraftband better?
The kraftband distributes the loads much more evenly across all strands, which makes the drive run noticeably smoother, and thanks to the higher weight per meter and higher mass inertia, the frequencies are shifted slightly, reducing the vibrations. Additionally, the top layer of the kraftband can protect against external influences and foreign objects.
Are there any disadvantages to the kraftband?
Yes, primarily the purchase price is a disadvantage, of course. It's a bit higher than for a single belt. And additionally, especially with large profiles or long kraftbands, more installation space is simply required as it can quickly become unwieldy.
Which belt would you use and when?
I would generally use single belts for simple, straightforward and smooth running drives, and I would choose kraftbands for high performance, heavy duty drives or for drives that experience extremely high shock loads. And very important is the center distance. We're showing you a rule of thumb here for when the kraftband is clearly at an advantage.
Thank you very much, Cem. That's it for today, and see you next time on Master Your Drive, the video series from Optibelt.
Bye for now.